In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Notion templates in 2025. First, you'll need to navigate to the Notion website. Just open your web browser and type in notion.so. This is where your journey begins in creating and selling templates. Once on the site, you'll see various template options in front of you. Browse through these templates to find the one that's perfect for you to sell. Click on the chosen template and it should open up within Notion, ready for you to proceed with the next steps. Once you have your template open, take a moment to ensure it's exactly how you want it, as this will be your product. Next, look for the Share button. It's usually located on the top right-hand corner of the page. Click this button to reveal more options. You'll see an option labeled Publish. Click on it. Don't be surprised if you're asked to click Publish again. This step ensures your template becomes accessible outside of your own Notion environment. After publishing, you'll be able to copy the site link. Just click to copy it, which will be crucial when you market your template. Keep the link handy as you'll need it in the coming steps. Go back to the Share section once more, as there's another vital detail to tweak. You'll change the sharing settings from only people invited to anyone on the web with link. This alteration is crucial because it allows anyone who has the link to access your template. Now shift your focus to the Notion Marketplace, a place specifically designed for buying and selling Notion templates. Find and click on Get Started to begin the process of listing your template for sale. Before you proceed further, make sure you have a complete profile. This means including details such as your name and possibly a photograph, as trust is essential when selling digital goods online. After confirming your profile, navigate to the Templates section of the marketplace and select Start a new template. Start by giving your template a catchy title. This is your first impression, so make it memorable. The next step is to paste the template link you copied earlier and type in categories that accurately represent what your template offers. While filling out the form, you'll also want to select the languages your template is available in, which could help reach a broader audience. If this is a paid template, go ahead and specify the amount you're charging. Make sure to paste the template link again to finalize these settings. Before submitting, you'll need to confirm that all purchase links are accurate. Add a brief description of what your template is about and follow it up with a detailed full description highlighting all its features and uses. Once you're satisfied with your listings, click Submit for review. Congratulations, you've successfully prepared your Notion template for sale. Remember, making a successful sale also involves marketing and interacting with your audience. Keep improving your templates based on feedback, and soon enough, you could turn this into a profitable venture.